Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestone Tunsong hak singi balang jong katayo ulakop dak boong. Bau kloi ban Hiar Shukino kum Menteri Sarkar Lada ka kenhun keng atiar ka hnyau trap National Liberation Council Hnlc kadoni ki sabut alor ke Jingkynnoh Persya ek Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Uba Prestone Tunsong ulakran yakani halor ke Jingkynnoh ke Hnlc ba ke Sarkar MDA ke belayalam dak NPP kadon keti hagaban peniat ka kenhun runar banti bat khayi bean yau doyong. Uba Prestone Tunsong uloong balada ke Hnlc ka keno kadairu bandon ki kot kisla bat ki sabut ki babyang bat ulong uba kloi ban poisendon sudu uput ban Hiar Shuki. Dangshan General Secretary ke Hnlc uba san kupar nong trau ulapha ukerwo bat kendo bak sarkar kadon keti hagaban peniat ka kamti bat khayi bean yau doyong wala kam shem lasha banti doyong. Bat ya kene ka kam la peniat da kejinge sala bat ki try par doyong ki clear jong ke sarkar MDA ki he officer sarkar bat ki pulet kejela. Ubasan kupar nong trau uloong baya kene ka kenhun runar la peniat dikikat to kene gidkhot kenhun keng atiar ki bala pendam wat upulet SOT barem ubala tep kum ujowi rengkat bat ki he pulet kejela. Ka Hnlc kala keno aru ba unong yalam ke NPP na Jantia Hills uba ni damon chulet bat uba ken saiwar kemde ki kerteng ke bethamai ha kene ka kenhun runar. Gidkhot kenhun keng atiar ki bala pendam wat kiyo ekabha ba shi hajar tengka na kowe ketrok bat san hajar tengka na kowe ketrok kalet pat chau menteri rangba usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela bat Menteri Korbari Kejela lekeno ubasan kupar nong trau.
Please bring the facts. See, this allegation is allegation. As I said to you, don't talk irresponsibly. We are all, you see, we are all human beings. If you talk this kind of things without having any documents or without having any factuality, I think we need to refrain ourselves from such statements. So I have nothing to say on that. Because if they do have the allegation with documents, I'm ready even to step down. Up to that extent, I'm ready to step down. Okay?
Hakabayday bat kejengkwa ekran yasok Hnlc uba Prestone Tunsong ula kentu yak Hnlc bagade banpa da kejengtho syaka sarkar jela bat syaka sarkar preng araga kwa ban ekran yasok no om ban cukran tang hakikot kubor ne ban pathai lengba ke social media balada ke Hnlc kedan shisha kejengmut kadai banpa da kejengtho syaka sarkar jela kanang bagan yok ban ekran bat ke sarkar preng. Uba Prestone Tunsong uloong bagi sarkar jela keladap banpa kejing sengo syaka sarkar pedeng banekran yasuk bat ke Hnlc wala haduk menta empat yo ya kejubab.
If you really wanted for peace talk, number one, please come out officially. Not just to say in the news or not to just send a note to social media. Because government cannot treat that as official. If you are really serious, kindly send us official communication so that we can take it up with the central government. But in spite of that, from the state government, we have already submitted our report to the government of India for talks. Okay, for talks. But still, I would request Hnlc, please send your official communication also, both to state government as well as to central government.